Yep, on the beam. Just need to get it on the gantry. So as you can see, the standard beam, I'll put a light bar up there so I can see what I'm doing at night. But standard beam is about 1800 inside, which if you fold the wing mirrors in on a standard truck, it's just about, you know, so you can pull an engine out, swap an engine. But yeah, so I've made this. Don't worry, they're not the actual welds, they're just the tacks. And she's got some lifting eyes on there, and this is 2.6, so we can span the cab, and even if the cab's blowing around a bit in the wind, it's not going to muck it up. Because we want to keep her pretty, don't we? She's a good Mark II, as you saw, or as you're going to see, there's barely any rot or anything on it. Right then, first order of the day is to get this gantry crane laid down and swap the bigger beam onto it and get it moved over here. Like oil. Because it's oil box section, isn't it? So my gantry's laid down and we're gonna put the bigger beam on there. Close to going, not quite. Get this out. So I was putting on the 2.6 beam. That'll do, they're only screw fixed bolts.
We'll get the other two when it's up, shall we?
Can do, or just get underneath with a spanner. That's one side. Locking pins are out of here. And these are just the guide bolts, so you can stop it from waggling.
Pretty much. Yeah? Right, I'll let you crack on. Try not to hit the car.
So, got that moved up. Bit of a dump here at the moment, but we'll get it nice and clean in a week or so. I need to move this a bit, push these cars back to the ditch, and then we can get that on the go. Bring the truck in and out sort of thing. White one.
Oh, I've done the two
that
at the
one.
top. It's just one.
There's another one that goes on it, and it goes to the reverse switch. Another one to the speedo drive. But she needs a bit of paint on her, as you can see. This bit's all been inside here, and the rest is getting a bit flaky. But not bad considering I built this, geez, a year and a half ago, I think, 2 years ago. So that's the new beam on there, and as you can see, like, well thought out, you know. Yeah, right. And it's just a bit of 5mm wool, 100mm box. And we're going to give it a crack. As you can see that. Yeah. That is, I can't remember if it's 75 or 80 inside this 100mm by 6mm. And then it's got like a little skirt on the bottom of this box section to stop it slopping around in the bottom. And then it slides up and down. You've got these lock bolts to stop it wobbling. The top tip, if you're swapping engines or bodies or whatever, keep the aircon pump with the body, and then when you drop your other engine in or whatever, you don't have to muck about getting the system regassed. You just pull the pump off the other engine, drop it in, and put your pump back on the side of it. Everything's off the truck, brakes, steering, all of that. We're just about to undo the body mounts. yeah, like we're ready. So we've got two hoists we could have used. We've got this little block and tackle. Well, I've got an actual electric crane at home, but fuck, that's heavy. So save the aggro, trying to lift this like 60 kilo electric hoist on top of this bloody frame. We're just going to use the hand one for the time being, and I'm going to clamp the side and just ratchet away basically. So we're in position now. So the new beam's on. Hopefully it'll hold. Charlie's just going to take the bonnet off, and then we're going to wheel it under, have her up. Ready? See how she goes. That's better.
Don't need no fucking safety guards. I've got fingers.
So Charlie's just going to grind the body mount bolt off because two of them are fucking round over.
He's going to try to grind them off.
He's going to try.
Fucking see.
Can't see what he's doing. He's got safety squints on, haven't you?
Yeah.
So, that's free. We were going to undo these, and then we obviously didn't. So we're going to buy some new ones. And Ranger, are you ready for extraction? So that's how we got it rigged up at the moment. I don't know how, you know, it's coming up that. Alright, easy does it. Look at that. Loop it over the top. Yeah. Alright. It's free, boy. Right, you jump down. That will hide it and stick it under the bumper line.
What, to hold it up?
Yeah, if you've got a fair bit of weight up here. It's not going to go. Not high enough. Not well. Unless we... We're going to put the bucket just under that. Oh.
Roof rack brackets. You do front and rear on these, didn't you?
Yeah, I do.
Get your roof rack brackets and then I'll get a roof rack.
two as well, but I think that's the pole.
Steady, steady. You can't lift the cab off with a ratchet strap, you can't lift it off with a sling, and you can't lift it off with a scaffolding pole.
Oh, there it goes.
Lightning speed. Suppose the battery's a bit flat, eh?
Yeah, probably wants to be charged.
Oh well, another day.